Two people walk into the same job interview, same resume, same experience, same qualifications.
One of them gets the job, the other doesn't. And the hiring manager later said it came down to one thing.
Not confidence, not charisma, not even their answers.
It was one word. One word that the successful candidate used to describe themselves, and it instantly changed how the entire room saw them.
That word is what we're teaching you today. And by the end of this episode, you'll never walk into a room the same way again. Welcome to Word by Word English, where every episode we teach you one powerful word that changes how people see you.
Today's word is one of the highest compliments you can receive in American professional culture, and most English learners have never even tried to use it.
Let's change that right now.
Let's go back to that interview room, a major American tech company. Two final candidates for the same senior position.
Candidate A was brilliant, deep knowledge, strong portfolio. But when the panel asked, how would you describe your communication style, she said, I speak clearly.
Candidate B had almost identical qualifications, same industry experience, same education level. But when asked the exact same question, he said something different.
He said, I try to be articulate. I believe that how you say something matters just as much as what you say.
The room shifted, subtly but noticeably. Three panel members nodded. The lead interviewer leaned forward slightly.
Candidate B got the job.
Was he smarter? Not necessarily. Was he more experienced? No. But in that one moment, with that one word, he signaled something that I speak clearly never could.
He signaled that he understood the value of language, that he thought carefully about how he communicated, that he was someone who would represent the company well in any room with any client at any level.
The word is articulate, and it is one of the most powerful single words in the American professional vocabulary.
So why does this one word carry so much weight? Let's talk about the psychology.
In American professional culture, how you speak is taken as a direct reflection of how you think. If you express yourself clearly, people assume you think clearly. If you're precise with your words, people assume you're precise in your work.
It's not always fair and it's not always accurate, but it is how the American professional world operates, and understanding that is half the battle.
Now, here's what makes articulate specifically so powerful. It's a meta word. A meta word is a word that describes how you communicate, not just what you communicate.
When you call yourself articulate, or when someone calls you articulate, you're not describing a single thing you said. You're describing an entire quality of mind, a pattern, a consistent ability to take complex thoughts and express them in a way that anyone can understand.
Think about the people Americans most respect. Great leaders, powerful speakers, successful executives. What do they all have in common? They can walk into any room, face any question, and express their thoughts with clarity and precision.
That's what articulate means. And that's why, when you use this word correctly, it immediately places you in a different category in the listener's mind.
Not just someone who speaks English, someone who commands it.
Let's look at 3 real situations where you can use this word, starting today.
Situation 1. Describing yourself in professional settings. In a job interview, on a resume, or in a professional bio, I'm an articulate communicator who can explain complex ideas simply. This signals immediately that you value precision and clarity in everything you do.
Situation 2. Complimenting someone else. She's incredibly articulate. She explained the entire strategy in 2 minutes and everyone understood it perfectly. This is one of the most respected compliments you can give a colleague in American culture. Use it genuinely and people will remember it.
Situation 3. Describing a presentation or speech. That was one of the most articulate explanations I've ever heard. When you describe content as articulate, you're saying it was clear, precise, well-organized, and easy to follow.
Notice the pattern. Articulate is always about clarity, precision, and the ability to make complex things simple. That's the core of the word.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever heard someone speak and thought, wow, they are so articulate? Tell us who it was, a teacher, a leader, a public figure? We want to know.
Now let's go a little deeper, because articulate isn't just a vocabulary word, it's a signal, and understanding what it signals will help you use it more powerfully.
When Americans call someone articulate, they're actually saying 5 things at once. Ready?
1. This person thinks before they speak. They don't just say the first thing that comes to mind. They organize their thoughts and present them deliberately.
2. This person respects the listener. Being articulate means you care enough about your audience to make things easy for them to understand.
3. This person is confident. Articulate people don't hedge, mumble, or trail off. They commit to their words and deliver them with clarity.
4. This person is intelligent and well-prepared. Whether fair or not, and it isn't always fair, articulate speech is strongly associated with intelligence and education in American culture. This isn't always true in reality, but it is the perception many people form, fairly or not. Understanding that perception is part of navigating professional life.
5. This person can represent you well. In business, hiring managers want people who will speak well on behalf of the company, to clients, to partners, to the public. Articulate is the word that signals you can do that.
5 signals, 1 word. That's why it's so powerful.
Now let's talk about the mistakes, because articulate is a word that English learners often get wrong.
Mistake 1. Using articulate only as an adjective. Articulate is also a verb. She articulated her concerns clearly in the meeting. As a verb, it means to express something specifically and precisely. Both forms are common in American English.
Mistake 2, confusing articulate with fluent. Fluency means you speak a language smoothly and naturally. Articulate means you express ideas with precision and clarity. You can be fluent but not articulate, and you can be articulate even in your second language.
Mistake 3, overusing it as self-praise. Calling yourself articulate too often can actually backfire. It can sound arrogant. The most powerful use is when others call you articulate, or when you use it to describe your communication style once, clearly and confidently, in a professional context.
Mistake 4, pronunciation. It's articulate as an adjective, stress on the second syllable. As a verb, it's articulate. Say it with us. Articulate. Articulate.
Tell us in the comments, did you know articulate could be both an adjective and a verb? Write a sentence using it both ways. We want to see your examples.
Quick practice. 2 situations. Tell me which response sounds more impressive.
Situation 1. Someone asks you, how would you describe your communication style? Option A, I speak clearly and I explain things well. Option B, I try to be articulate. I believe clarity and precision are the most important parts of good communication.
Option B, every time. Option A is fine. Option B is memorable. It shows you think carefully about language itself, which is exactly what articulate people do.
Situation 2. Your colleague gives an excellent presentation. Option A, good job, that was very clear. Option B, that was incredibly articulate. You made something really complex feel completely simple.
Option B again. It's more specific, more impressive, and it uses the word in exactly the right context.
Now your turn. Fill in the blank out loud. I want to become more articulate because... Think about your real life, your job, your studies, your goals.
Write your answer in the comments. We read every single one, and we genuinely love seeing how this word connects to your real life. 2 people, same resume, same experience, same qualifications.
1 word changed everything.
Not because the word was magic, but because it revealed something about the person who said it, that they thought carefully about language, that they valued precision, that they understood communication wasn't just about talking.
It was about making people feel understood.
That's what articulate really means. Not just speaking clearly, but caring enough about your listener to make every word count.
And now you have that word. Use it, own it, and watch how people respond when you do.
Like and subscribe to Word by Word English, and join us next time where we're breaking down a word so casual Americans use it every day, but it carries more meaning than most people ever realize.
See you in the next one.